Welcome guys to another video. So in this video basically I'm going to show you and tell you about something which is amazing, and I believe that you will like so much, and that's why you really need to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'm waiting for that as well, if you don't mind. Thank you for subscribing. So let's continue. So in this video basically I'm going to show you something that amazed me like a month ago when I heard about this platform which is called Blockfi, which is means that if you are in my channel, if you watch my videos, you basically know that we talk a lot about cryptocurrency and other stuff like investments and making money online. So this is a platform where you basically can get interest rate in your cryptocurrencies. So let's say, for instance, if you go to your bank right now and you deposit money to let's say earn interest rate on your money, you will not get more than 1%. I mean, it's rare to find a bank that can give you at least 1%. Normally they give you like 0.0 something or 3 or 2 zeros 1%, which is very low. But with this platform basically it means that you can buy, I mean, put there your cryptocurrency and get interest rate in your cryptocurrency. Let's say, for instance, some coins you can get up to 8%, right? Which is amazing, really amazing. So this is the platform that I'm gonna talk to you about this today, and also I'm gonna show you more along. So just welcome to the channel. And again, they don't have like a lot of cryptocurrencies right now, but for now they have like Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have Bitcoin, they have GUSD, which means this is a stable coin. USDT is another stable coin, and PAX and many others. So let's say they have like around 8 or 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they have 9 right now, and which means that if you select this one USDD, and then I use this the calculator, right? Let's say I put there 10,000, right? 10,000. Okay, that 10,000 in 10 years, this your 10,000 will be 14,000, which is amazing, right? We just start double. And if you put more, let's say, it means that if you don't add anything more, you just put 10,000 and that's it. But if you keep putting more and more, you're gonna get more and more. You will see that in 30 years you will get $134,000 just in your $10,000 investment right now. This is stable coins. It means that they don't kind of fluctuate that much. Now, if I put 1,000, sometimes people prefer that 1,000 means that in 30 years I'm gonna get 30,000. Show me a bank that you're gonna put your money, your 1,000. In 30 years they're gonna give you $30,000. Please show me that bank. I really want to know. I really want to know and invest my money as well, because I love to invest. And let's say you decide, okay, I'm just gonna put $200, right? In 30 years you're gonna get $2,000, which is amazing. Right now it's a platform that I discovered a few months ago. Actually, I don't have that much money right now, but this is something that I want to show you guys, so that you can also try it out. And I'm gonna invest more. I'm gonna put the money, my cryptocurrency in another platform, but I'm gonna put some other cryptos in this one. I'm gonna transfer and put there as well. Now let's say if you put there like Bitcoin or maybe Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin, right? And you put there, well, wow, 200 Bitcoin. Let's put something more. All right, let's say one Bitcoin means that in 30 years we're gonna get 4 Bitcoins, which is amazing. 4 Bitcoins, and you only have less than 1 Bitcoin, you're gonna get that, okay, 0.47 Bitcoin. But if you have 1 Bitcoin in 30 years, you're gonna get 4 Bitcoins. Please show me another company that can do that, or better, can make way better than that. It means that some currency you're gonna get 8%, some will just get 6, some others gonna get just 2, some other currencies you will get 3, and so on. But the stable coins, I mean USDC and let's say USDT, normally you get up to 8%, which is mind-boggling, which is amazing. So this is some platform that you can basically just download. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. you check it out, and you can also as well start doing it. And yeah, you basically can. It's simple, it's easy. You also can get your Visa card that you can spend your cryptos, and as well kind of get paid. I mean, when you use your Visa card, you're gonna get a cashback every time you use your Visa card and so on, which is amazing. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description so that you can also try it out. You can borrow money if you decide to borrow money as well. And I think that this is a big, like a beautiful and big company. This is already like in the market for very very long, but I discovered it just a few months ago. And yeah, it's something that I wanted to show you guys, and just try it out, give it a try. It's simple. You just download the app, subscribe there, you all these things that normally we do when we want to open a company, or account in some exchange. They're gonna ask you as well, and don't be afraid to try. Just try it, put there some few dollars, and you will see how much you're gonna get. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. Please comment below what you think about this video, and I see you on the next one. Yola yola.